Einen Moment mal, nur das war ja vorgestern. Vorgestern hatten wir den Bilden nachher gehabt. Ja, richtig, ja, das war gestern oder vorgestern gewesen. Vorgestern am 28. Und da hatten wir sogar...
One time we took the train up, all the other times. Manitoba, Canada. And of the three of them, I had them send me all of their information on their antennas so I could see what was available. I didn't like the designs of their antennas in a lot of cases, so I designed my own. And it ended up, it was...
Ja, furchtbar gewesen, nicht? Ja.
W8MHO and the group, this is...
But they still got to meet each other. And I got pretty good, nice selection of presents and so on, so certainly no complaints there. I got the parts, replacement parts for that little radio, and I'm going to start to try and rebuild it, so maybe some progress are being made. The people are here today to put in the new windows in the downstairs windows here where these 100-and-some-year-old windows that leak air like mad are going to be replaced. Maybe that'll lower the heat bill a little bit. The new siding that they put on a couple of weeks ago has helped. You can actually tell the difference. So we're making some progress in light of that. And with that, Gordon, you were probably the closest of us to Jim over there, both location-wise and knowing him. So I wonder, why there was such a short obituary? Terribly, practically nothing in the newspaper about him. N8BZW8MHO.
W8MHO and the group, this is...
But they still got to meet each other. And I got pretty good, nice selection of presents and so on, so certainly no complaints there.
Graham, before I built my first quad in the year 2000, I was looking around trying to find fiberglass spreaders. So I called up all the quad companies I could think of. One of them was Lightning Bolt in Pennsylvania. The other one was Cubex down in...
Von der vorgestern noch ohne Elektrizität und die sagt, nein, wir werden sogar ohne Elektrizität sein bis 2 Tage Freitag. Da waren sehr, sehr viele, also Bäume ausgerissen, sogar die Telegrafenkeller abgebrochen und so weiter. Also der Wind war ja furchtbar gewesen.
There was no exchange in the dollar rate. It was a simple matter to buy from Canada.
And the group, this is...
But they still got to meet each other. And
ja, richtig, ja, das war gestern oder vorgestern gewesen. Vorgestern am 28. Und da hatten wir sogar Temperaturen bis zu 13 Grad plus, gehabt 13 Grad plus. Aber dann kam die kalte Luft mit der... bis 20 Stundenkilometer.
Designs of their antenna.
Jim, location-wise and knowing him, so I wonder, why there was such a short obituary? Terribly, practically nothing in the newspaper about him. N8BZW8M.